Ha ha ha! Got my iPhone. 2 cameras. And from Apple company. Smartphone. I got it. Good morning, my family and friends. Today I received my iPhone 11. As you can see, I choose green color. I'm going to unbox it now. They have different colors. They have yellow, green, purple, white, black, and red, but I choose this color. I'm very excited because my iPhone 7.5 pictures is not as good now, so I told my husband it's time for me to get the newer version. So I didn't get the Pro or the Max, but iPhone 11 is good enough for me. And I'm gonna read this first because he said that I need to read this. It says hello, and it's from Apple, of course. And I need to read this first, and then I'll get back with you. Hello, my family and friends. This is now my iPhone 11. I have to put the bodyguard. It says glass screen protection. So I have to put this, make sure it's protected, because sometimes I'm careless and drop the phone. So this will help. I got my good stuff, my charger, and it says read this first. So I need to read this first, and then I'll let you know how to turn it on.